Cubs got the lead runner and one man down. That was a sweeper, got weak contact, and it was very difficult to turn that double play. He secured the out at second base. Rojas hustles down the line. Presses started by Max Muncy at second base as well. Now some kid's going to come on and pinch hit. That's one will be taken down. 2 strikeout game.